Morning, everyone. It's Wednesday morning. Oh, sorry, Thursday morning. Missed a day in there. And this is my pre opening comment. It's video number 342. And as always, I remind you if you like the work, please subscribe and hit that like button. Okay, so it's Thursday, so we have initial and continuing claims, and for the first time in 15 weeks, initial claims are up. Not up appreciably, but we did add 1.416 million, 416,000 initial claims. The continuing claims were down slightly. But Steve Leisman on CNBC made a very interesting comment today, and that was that while the number is a little over 16 million, in fact, it's much larger than that because of the government's additional, the PAU, pandemic relief, also has over 13 million people getting getting continuing payments. That ends next week, but the fact is that's 30 million on the continuing claim number, not really 16. When that news came out, the Dow was looking up 60, and right now it's looking down 60. The NASDAQ, which was up about 16 or 17, is now indicating a move of down about 15, and the S&P that was up 2 is now down 2. We had some earnings both last night and this morning. Twitter reported this morning they missed on both revenues and earnings, but what they did mention is that they have an additional 20 million monetized daily users. And so the stock is up about $2. Tesla, Microsoft had earnings last night, and Tesla is trading around $16.50, which is up about $60. Microsoft, which traded down on a beat both top and bottom line, but had run up, had gotten back down to about 204. The last is 208, and that's still down $3.45. Unilever is 60, up $4. They are talking about very strong demand for a bunch of their products like Hellmann's and ice cream and things of that nature that are definitely more conducive to being at home, not going to your local ice cream shop, and more at home cooking. MIST, which is another pharma company. This one has a drug for tachycardia. That's a very fast heartbeat. You get that. It's somewhat related to AFib. The stock has been as high as 640 this morning, coming up from $1.50. The last is 6, up $2.70. So that's a 75% move. As you can see, the oil is down a little after being 42.5 yesterday, now 41.49, down 40 cents. The gold remains up. It traded as high as 1887. It's $15 lower than that, but still up $7. The silver, which I've been looking for a pullback, is in fact down. It traded just under $24. I'll show you this one, and frankly, the only reason that I think it's moving down is because it's been up so far. I would love to see it back down here around 21.5, maybe even a little lower. since we had this really nice breakout and a running correction and then going parabolic. So there's that. Also, the dollar has bounced ever so slightly. It closed last night under 95 cents. Last is 95.09, so it's up about 17 cents, but this is the pattern. Break, rally back up to the break, another break, rally back up, etc., all the way down. As I mentioned in last night's video, I think this is going to about 90 cents. Doesn't really show up well on this chart, but as you can see, this is the 94 area, this is the 92 area. Somewhere in here to test this bottom would not surprise me in the least. Okay, everyone, that's your pre-opening comment. Have a good day. I may do a video on nat gas later, but I need to see how it acts. Don't forget to subscribe and be careful out there.